Alright, we are back with another video, you guys. So brows are done. I used the Crayon Case eyebrow pomade in medium brown, and as always, we are going to pretty much do the base for the eyelids, and we're using the P. Louise base in shade Rumor 2. This video, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please do. I am actually doing series. So this video is for one of the pastel looks that I did during my series. I did 3 different pastel looks. So yeah, definitely go ahead and make sure you guys are following me so you guys can see all the different types of looks that I've been doing. I didn't want to film all of them because it made no sense to just do a whole bunch of pastel looks, and I know how people are. They get tired of seeing the same old type of looks over and over again. So for the palette that we're going to be using today, we're going to be using the Midas Cosmetics Color Festival palette. This palette has some really pretty pastel shades in them. So that's the reason why I definitely chose, as you guys can see, some really nice pastel shades. So I used the lavender pastel purple. I also used like a really nice peachy pink pastel color, as well as the pastel green in the palette. And I'm pretty much doing a blown out type of a look. I'm not being like super precise or anything. I just want the colors to be very blown out and just messy because they are pastels. So I just feel like with the pastels, it's okay to be like all over the place with them. You don't have to be extremely precise because the colors are super bright. And I feel like when you put a lot of the colors together, they're meant to be blended like very messy together, if that's a word. I don't even know if that's a word. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm using kind of like a peachy pinky curly pink type of color, but it is a more of a pastel shade, and I'm pretty much keeping that mainly on like the outer corner, but also blending it in with that lavender purple shade that we have put pretty much in the transition and crease area. So yeah, pretty much gonna be doing that, and then you guys are gonna see that I am gonna use that nice lime green shade onto the lid, and I just pretty much go ahead and blend everything together. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that shimmer shade. It's kind of like almost like a white icy type of shimmer, and I went ahead and just put that under the brow area and also in the inner corner. And then once that is done and I do the other eye off camera, I'm gonna go in and start liner. Now for the liners, I actually use the Suva Beauty Hydra liners. So the white one that you guys are seeing me use now is called Space Panda, and then the lime yellow greenish type of color, that one is called Dance Pretty. Okay, so really quickly for lashes, I use Lily Lashes in the style Boston. And then for my face, I use Fenty Beauty. I use the Soft Silk Primer and the Hydrating Foundation in 230. And then I also use the Crayon-Case highlighter concealer in the shade 04 and their Conceal Me palette Supreme Contour. Now what you guys are seeing me use now is the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette. I think that's what it is. I don't know which volume this one is, but this one has like blush and highlighter in it. And then for blush, I actually use the Joy Cosmetics Bouquet d'Amour blush palette. And I use more of the like muted pink shade for the the cheeks. And I didn't show you guys a highlighter, but for highlight I just went right back in with the Tarte Cosmetics palette, and I just used one of the highlighters from that palette. Now on to lips. I'm using KK's View lip liner in Beauty Icon. This is the lip liner from the Mario collection, from the second collection that they did. And then for gloss, I'm using two glosses, and these are from the Crayon-Case. So the first one that I'm going in with is called Clean Kisses, but then I felt like I needed something a little bit brighter, especially for the center of the lips, so I went in with Private Party. And I just pretty much applied that to the center and blended it, just to kind of give that center highlight. And then that's pretty much it, you guys. That's the look. Super simple and easy, and some liner fun. I hope you guys enjoy it, and make sure you guys are subscribed, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one.